Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to add some more decorations to a very simple geometry pattern. We are going to learn how to draw a very simple eightfold geometry pattern, and after that we are going to add some additional steps to transform our simple shape to a more complicated one. In order to do that, you are going to need a blank paper, white paper, a good compass, a mechanical pencil or any kind of pencil, an eraser in case you want to erase your mistakes, and a ruler or any kind of a straight edge. So, first of all, we are going to draw our baseline. So, we are drawing our baseline, and then we are going to open our compass to any desired opening. This is like 1 inch, around 1 inch opening, which would be the radius of your circle. We are drawing a circle by placing the pin of our compass exactly on the baseline. Then from the intersection of our circle with the baseline, we are going to draw 2 more circles. Then from the intersection of these circles together, we are going to draw 4 arcs which are intersecting. Then we are going to connect these 2 intersections, the above and the bottom one, together. And with the same opening of our compass, we are going to put the pin on the intersection of this perpendicular line and our main circle, and we are going to draw 2 more circles. Once we are done with that, we are going to connect the intersection of these outer circles together and make kind of a cross. The eightfold patterns, basically they consist of 2 squares. So we are going to find these 2 squares. One static one and one dynamic square, we call them. So what is the dynamic square? The dynamic square is the square which is constructed by connecting the intersection of these, the cross, the perpendicular line and the baseline with this our main circle. So this is going to be our dynamic circle. Then the static circle would be the connection of the intersection of our main circle with these 2 lines. Okay, so this is one intersection. I'm just connecting them together. So now we have these 2, I'm just making it bold. We have these 2 squares, so you will be able to see it better. Okay, this is one of the most simple geometry patterns that existed in the family of eightfold patterns. But what we are going to do is actually working on this part and trying to see how we can transform this very simple pattern to different shapes. By doing that, we are going to focus on this inner side. We need 2 more additional lines. 2 pairs, I'm just making it with different colors so you will be able to see that. I'm just connecting the sides of this star together. So we will end up with this kind of grid. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you will be able to see it better. Okay. From now on, we are going to work on this part. Okay, so for So this is design number 1. Then we are moving to another part. For this part, what we need to do is actually we need to have one more additional line here, which is the diagonal of our star, like this. Okay, so once we have this, we are going to trace over. So this is like the first shape, but if you look at this shape more carefully, you will see that there are other shapes, but in different direction will pops up. Just making them in different color, with different color. This is going to be the second design. Then for the next design, again, we will need to have just put it like this. I'm just tracing over these lines, so a pair of new shapes will pops up. Also, 2 new shapes are going to be created on these 2 sides, right? Like this. This is going to be our next design. So these are like the 3 designs, and you can see how we transform our simple star to 3 different designs, and then when you apply it on your simple pattern, you will end up with these nice shapes. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial and create very nice art pieces.